Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, bring the cheese. Put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no ebony.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the VeeHive. Today is Vlogmas Day. So guys, today what I am going to bring to you, over the holiday, you know you want something quick to fix because you'll have family and friends there, and definitely the kids are out of school. So today what I'm going to do is bring you a very quick and easy recipe that you can eat over rice or with hamburger buns. And guys, what is this? It's called cracking chicken. So here are some of the items that you need for this cracking chicken. First, I am going to add some cheese. So this is something different than anyone else do this recipe with. You're going to need some cream cheese, and I only use Kinder's seasoning. So I have the Butcher's All-Purpose, the brown sugar, and the buttery steakhouse. You've never tried these, guys. Try them. They are everything. Also, you're going to need some boneless chicken breast and a pan. So guys, let's get started. So now guys, the first thing I want to do is make sure my pan is hot enough, and also I have my chicken breast and it's already defrosted and clean. You just heard myself, it just preheat to 380 degrees. And now I'm going to use some of my grapeseed oil. So now what I want to do is add some of the chicken breast in here. So now that I've cooked my chicken, shred my chicken, so now what I'm going to go ahead and do, I want to go ahead and season my chicken. So I'm going to make sure that I have enough of seasoning in it. And guys, this seasoning is not real salty, so it's excellent. And when I cook and I use this seasoning, I do use more than 3. Sometimes I use 3, sometimes I use 4 different ones. So now that I have my chicken seasoned, what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and kind of like blend it together, give it a good little stir to make sure that it falls on each piece. Because when you want to taste this, you want to make sure that you're tasting seasoning, you're tasting the cream cheese, you're tasting the cheese. So yeah, you just want to make sure it is stirred good, make sure that all the seasoning hit every piece, and now just even it out. So the next thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to add in 2 of our cream cheeses. So now the only thing I'm going to do with the cream cheese is going to add that just right on top. And remember, guys, preheat your oven. Preheat your oven. And I have mine preheated at 380. 375 will do, but I have mine at 380. So now what I want to do is add cheese on top. So this is a mild cheese. These brands are by Aldi and they taste just like Kraft. So now I'm going to add cheese all over this. And I'm also going to use sharp cheddar. So mild and sharp cheddar cheese. So now at this point, you can put it in the oven like that, but I prefer putting mine with aluminum foil on top. So let me grab my aluminum foil. So now let's go ahead and cover. Now let's stick it in the oven for about 35 minutes. So this is what it will look like, guys. And I'm getting ready to do a taste test. And I just took it out, so it is hot. So let me see how this is going to taste. I'm trying to get a smaller piece. So I'm going to take the first bite. Very good. I do like this. So guys, this is the cracked chicken my way by adding cheese and no ranch dressing.